How you doing, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today we have YETI. That's the ticker symbol, basically. YETI, Y-E-T-I is the ticker symbol. Company is YETI Holdings Incorporated, and we're on the daily time frame, okay, daily chart. So with that being said, we are off to a great start this week. Not only that, but I mean, coming off of Mother's Day weekend and just it being all crazy, the markets are looking really, really nice. We did get a basically a push from this level upward already going into this week, but I would like to see if we can get back down into this $37 mark area and then continue going higher to actually break that $44. Like that would be amazing, right? So right now, I'm just waiting to see if we can get anything from that area going upward. But if I can spot an area that would basically come off of a our earlier state other than this, I mean, I don't know why it's like two, but yeah, I would say if anything around this area here would be an early jump to it, but oh man, I don't know why that's not working like that. Let's go. An early jump to it, right? In this area where if price was to come down, maybe retest that trend line, retest that support, and then continue upward to make that lower the next higher low. Cool. But right now, I'm just basically wanting it to come further down. If it could get down into this $38 area, that would be more like ideal and promising. But right now, I'm just gonna wait on it and then see what we get. So again, if you have any questions or any recommendations of any charts, please feel free to mention them down below. And if you like a further breakdown of any charts, feel free to mention that chart. I do metals, gold, NASDAQ, anything, any Forex, crypto, anything, and just put TDA right next to it, top-down analysis, TDA. And I'll go ahead and get that video uploaded for you as well. So no worries. I wish you all a great, profitable week. Again, this all is for just educational purposes. But regardless, I would like to just bless the whole entire YouTube community, not only because I want to get back into the whole YouTube thing, but also I felt like somebody knocked on my window, but I'm on the second floor. Like, what the hell? Anyway, weird. But yeah. So let me know if you guys would like any other breakdowns of any of the charts. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and most importantly, have a profitable and blessed day or week. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please.